In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style in Perplexity AI. If you spend a lot of time reading answers, tweaking the font can make a big difference in comfort, clarity, and overall focus. The process is quick, and by the end, your workspace will feel more tailored to how you like to read. Start by opening your browser and going to Perplexity AI. Give the page a moment to load so everything in the interface appears correctly. If you use Perplexity across multiple devices, keep in mind that font settings are tied to your account experience in the app, so it helps to make changes while you're signed in on the device you use most often. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be an avatar or a simple circle with your initials. Click that icon to open the account panel. This is the quick access area for personal settings and controls, and it's where you can customize how Perplexity looks and feels for you. In the panel that opens, click Preferences. This takes you to the main settings page where layout, theme, and reading options live. Take a second to let the page load fully so that all the toggles and menus are visible. If your window is very narrow, consider widening it so section labels and options don't get truncated. On the Preferences page, look for the section labeled Answer Font. This is the control that changes how the AI's responses are displayed. It won't affect your prompts or site navigation. It specifically targets the text you'll spend most of your time reading. Finding the right font here can reduce eye strain, especially during long sessions or when you're reading dense explanations. When you're ready, choose a font style from the options on the left side. As you click a style, you should see the change apply right away in the preview or in your next answer, so you can quickly compare how each one feels. Pick the option that gives you clean letter shapes at your usual zoom level and viewing distance. If you prefer a crisp, modern look, a simple sans serif is often easiest to scan. If you like more character and a traditional feel, a serif style can be pleasant for longer reads. Try a couple, skim a paragraph, and trust what feels easiest on your eyes. That's it. With your preferred answer font selected, your reading experience in Perplexity will be more comfortable and consistent. You can return to preferences at any time to switch fonts as your needs or lighting change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized reading setup.